from the Academy of Geekery. Today guys, we're going to be looking at the worst linear keyboard switch that I've had the displeasure of laying my fingers upon. We're going to be doing this in a bit more of an ASMR style. And yeah, introducing the new Giant Reds. Now I snagged these things off Wish for like $1. I'll probably put something on screen about that. But they were awful. Now what really piqued my interest about these particular switches is the Wish listing claimed that they were 60-gram clicky switches. Now I don't know about you, but I have never seen red clicky switches before, and I was fascinated. I knew that wasn't going to be true, but I wanted them anyway just on principle, and sure enough, they're linear. Or they would be if they weren't so scratchy that in reality they're basically tactile. Now these switches, as you can hear, but even more so as they feel, are scratchy, pingy, and obnoxious all round. I saw on r/MK people were suggesting that these are actually just Utemus with a rebadge name on them. Even if that's true, these must be the duds that Utemu thought were also too bad. I've used Utemu Reds, and they're not even this bad. It's impressive. Now we're going to grab all these switches and we're going to chuck them in this 3D printed switch tester of mine. Now that that's all done, we're going to slap these thick PBT caps on that I've got and give it a listen. To remedy this blight on the keyboard community, I'm going to be using Lube. I'm going to be lubing 5 of the switches so we can have a top row and a bottom row to compare. And by the magic of editing, they're already lubed. Now it's time to put them all back in and we'll compare what the lubed ones sound like to the stock ones and see if it really fixed this absolute disaster. Did it fix them? A little. They don't ring at all anymore, which is a good sign. The spring isn't that bad, but they are still sandpaper scratchy. The lube doesn't seem to have done anything for the scratchiness. If anything, they feel tighter and like stiffer to press now, which is just a bit odd. I'm not sure why that would be the case, but they are better. And I guess that's kind of what we were looking for in this video. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, I know this is a bit different, make sure to say something down below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Thank you, bye.